Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So again, going over my daily plan on exactly how I plan on playing into the SPY. Again, gapping up after jumping off of our support that we mentioned again yesterday here at 377, continuing on with this bounce. Now our 20 days starting to curl over. Will we continue to curl over here, drop below our 50, and then get that possible bearish candle set up from here to continue on lower? Or will we continue on the upper end of our channel here for that confirmation on that bullish candle structure? Again, we have been increasing in sell pressure. Now we are getting a white shaded line. Where exactly may we be headed next? I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for here. Hit the like button if you enjoy this video. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Let's jump right into this one. So jumping into the daily chart with you guys here on the SPY, just to recap on mostly what's been going on here. Again, we have been sitting on anticipation of a possible Fed pivot on this momentum that we have been getting again from Nick Timiraos mentioning that possible Fed pivot from our initial spike here. We have been continuing on higher, but now we are sitting on a pullback after Powell mentioned that unemployment isn't exactly as high as he was looking for. And again, with multiple rejections on the upper end of our channel, we were making sure that we did not get that rejection, and we did get that rejection. Again, mentioning yesterday that our next support is here at our 377 level, and that we would be looking for that possible bearish momentum as we have our 20 curling down here, looking to see if we would continue on below our 50 to get that possible bearish candle set up to continue on lower and get that confirmation on that continuation on lower. Now, keep in mind, tomorrow we have initial jobless claims and GDP coming out 1 hour before market open that will show us momentum out the gate, and we could possibly continue on lower on that data. Again, Powell mentioning that we need that increase in unemployment. If initial jobless claims come out lower than expected, then we could possibly get a pullback here. So again, keeping that in mind that we could continue on lower with that engulfing candle, and again, getting more confirmation with our 20 crossing below our 50 leading into tomorrow or leading into this week. Again, that has been the watch here. And as far as our overall strength, again, increasing in sell pressure here, now getting that white shaded line showing us that decrease in sell pressure. We want to see if we continue on with this decrease in sell pressure. If we get our 12 EMA to cross back over our 26, that is what we're looking for as far as that bullish momentum. But currently we do have our EMA lines crossing below the median of our MACD. That typically does show a lot of strength to the downside. So again, looking to see if tomorrow's decrease in sell pressure does continue on that data. And if we do get that possible continuation with our 12 crossing back over our 26, again, the largest watch of this week from here is going to be if we do cross our 20 below our 50. And then if we do, we will be looking for that possible bearish candle setup here to see if we will get our next Elliott wave to the bottom end of our channel here. Again, we have been watching our VPVR. Again, the most amount of volume, guys, that is traded here on the daily chart, as you guys can see, identifying our 377 level, our next strongest point that we had here on the VPVR. And again, the last support level that we would be looking to see if we can bounce off of. Let's say we do continue on lower with an engulfing candle, and then we do continue on lower with that confirmation, then our next bounce level here will be at 365. So again, no surprise if we get that possible doji candle on a continuation on lower, and then we get a possible bounce here, and then we would be looking for that continuation on that bearish candle setup with our 20-day crossing below our 50. That is, again, if our 20 crosses below our 50, depending on tomorrow's data and how we digest it on the week, very key. Again, GDP and initial jobless claims, very key. And as far as room to run to the upside, as you guys can see, we are still, again, below the median of our RSI here. We are not pointing up above our prior points on our RSI. So again, we are not in overbought territory. We never reached overbought territory. We would be looking to see if we could possibly get that momentum above the median of our RSI to see if we get any momentum above that. Again, looking for that confirmation on the upper end of our channel will be the bullish play from here. And again, a very nice bounce here that we had at 377. If you guys happen to play that, it was a very nice play today if you guys did see that. And our largest indicator that we have been watching, again, this is the dollar, showing us strength on the dollar will give us weakness on the SPY. Again, mentioning that we could continue on with this bounce since our EMA lines are pointing up. That's exactly what happened. But however, we did not increase in pressure today. So again, keeping in mind that we do have a solid green bar coming in. If we continue on with this solid green bar going into tomorrow, then that could be that continuation and bearish candle setup on the SPY to continue on lower. So again, keeping an eye on this next green bar here. If we continue on with pressure above our prior pressure point again, guys, then we will continue on with weakness on the SPY to the downside. And again, that could be, again, that confirmation on that bearish candle setup here that we are looking for. So again, keep that in mind. We're definitely keeping an eye on the dollar. So again, just making sure we are keeping that in mind. Now, again, with that said, guys, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for very volatile breakouts, we mention them every single day in the Instabills room. We are starting our alert service back up on January 3rd. But for the last week or two, we have taken the day off for the holidays. However, join instabills.com in the description below, and only for $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. And all of you Instabills, I appreciate every one of you guys. You guys have been supporting every day, and I truly do appreciate you guys. Hope you guys did catch this nice bounce today. If not, again, very much looking for confirmation to continue on lower, and making sure that we respect our 20-day to the downside will be that confirmation. Again, looking for either that bearish candle setup, and if we continue on higher, again, making sure that we get that bullish candle setup here on the up end of our channel. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.